Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So, today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about gardening and horticulture. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on gardening and horticulture. Are we ready for the lesson? We are? That is good. So first, we are going to be looking at the meaning of gardening and horticulture. Gardening is like taking care of a mini outdoor world. It's when people plant and look after various plants like flowers, vegetables, and herbs in their gardens or special areas. Think of it as your own green space where you can grow plants, nurture them, and watch them bloom and grow. So gardening is like your personal outdoor art project. It's where you get to choose what you want to grow and how you want it to look. You can have a mix of colorful flowers, tasty vegetables, and even some useful herbs. It's not just about planting, it's also about taking care of your plants by giving them water, sunlight, and the right soil. It's a bit like having your own plant pets. Gardening is a creative and relaxing hobby. You can design your garden to be colorful space where you can play, read, or just enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay? Horticulture is the science and art of growing plants in more organized and knowledgeable way. Horticulturists are like plant experts. They learn how to make plants healthier, how to grow them more, and how to use them for different purposes. For example, they might figure out how to grow more delicious and bigger tomatoes or how to keep flowers blooming longer. They also work on things like making sure the soil is just right for each type of plant. So horticulture is a bigger word, but it's all about growing and taking care of plants in a smart and organized way. It's like using special knowledge and techniques to make sure plants are healthy and happy. Horticulturists learn how to grow plants for food, beauty, and even medicine. So while gardening is about having fun with plants, horticulture is like the science of making sure they thrive. Okay? Both gardening and horticulture are fantastic ways to connect with nature, learn about plants, and create beautiful and useful space with the power of your terms. Okay? So we are going to be looking at types of gardens. Okay? Herbs and vegetables gardening. Herbs are special plants that add delicious taste to your food. Think of herbs like basil, mint, or thyme. They can make your meal yummier. Herbs are like magical ingredients that make your food taste amazing. Okay? Vegetables are plants like tomatoes, carrots, and broccoli that you can grow in your garden and then eat. They are like the tasty, healthy part of your meals. Vegetables are the healthy stars of your garden. They can be part of your salads, soups, and more. Herbs and vegetables gardening is like having your own mini farm where you grow plants you can eat and use for flavor, in cooking, or even staying healthy. When you are into herbs and vegetables, you will plant seeds or young plants in your garden. You will give them the right amount of sunlight and water, and then, like magic, they will grow into tasty and nutritious plants. So, herbs and vegetables gardening is like being a chef and a nature explorer at the same time. It's a great way to learn about plants, enjoy fresh and delicious food, and connect with the natural world right in your own backyard. Okay? Next, we are going to be looking at flower gardening. Flower gardening is like creating a colorful and fragrant wonderland in your outdoor space. Instead of growing plants for food, like in vegetable gardening, you grow plants just for their beauty. These plants are called flowers. Flowers come in all kinds of shapes, sizes, and colors. Think of roses, sunflowers. Each one is like a piece of living art. In flower gardening, you get to decide which flowers to plant, where to plant them, and how to take care of them. It's a bit like being a painter, but instead of using a canvas, you're using the earth to create your masterpiece. Flower gardening is like having your own living art gallery right in your backyard. Instead of growing plants for food, in flower gardening, you grow plants specifically for their looks. These are the pretty plants we call flowers, like roses, sunflowers. You can choose which colors and shapes you want in your garden. You plant the seeds or young plants and give them the right care to help them grow big and beautiful. Flower gardening is a way to express your creativity and bring nature's beauty closer to your home. Okay, so next we're going to be looking at ornamental plants. Ornamental plants are like nature's decoration for your outdoor spaces. These are special plants chosen for their beautiful appearance, unique shapes, or interesting features, rather than for food or fragrance. Ornamental plants can include colorful shrubs, graceful trees, or exotic flowers like orchids. They are the plants that make your garden or the school grounds look more attractive and captivating. In ornamental gardening, you're like a designer arranging these plants in a way that creates pleasing patterns and a sense of tranquility. These plants can turn your garden into a place of beauty, a spot to relax. Okay? Ornamental plants are like the beautiful non-edible plants you put in your garden just because they look pretty. They are the plants that make your garden or yard more colorful and interesting to look at. They are like the decorations for the outdoor world. You might have flowering bushes, fancy trees, or lovely flowers. They don't give you food, but they make you feel good when you look at them. So ornamental plants are like the look good plants in your garden, making it a lovely place to relax and explore. Okay, so today's lesson we have talked about the meaning of gardening, meaning of horticulture, the types of gardening we have, right? We mentioned herbs and vegetables gardening, right? And I said this type of gardening involves growing herbs and vegetables for culinary and sometimes medicinal purposes. We also talked about flower gardening, and flower gardening focuses on growing a variety of flowers, primarily for their beauty and decorative purposes, right? Then we talked about ornamental plants. Ornamental gardening involves growing plants that are chosen for their attractive appearance, right? So we now know the meaning of gardening and horticulture and the different types of gardening we have, right? That's good. So now we are going to be looking at our assignment. Okay? It's easy, right? That's good.